Okay, let's cook some good old sausage, okra, and shrimp. Okay, so today we're gonna take this saucepan right here, add a little cooking oil to it so we can fry up our sausage and all our good stuff that's going into our hearty meal for today. This is such a fall type, winter type meal. Okay, so we have shrimp frozen, okra frozen, and our frozen crab cake. All right, and these are the sauces. Sauve. I don't know, smoked sauces, but they do have green onion inside of them. Okay, so we got the sausage all fried up. Now we're adding the okra. Okra take a little minute to cook, you guys. It has to cook down, so don't get discouraged when it's not cooking as fast as you want it to, but it will eventually cook down. Now, I cook mine a little longer to get the okra slime off of it because I don't really like that. But I added in these frozen shrimp. Y'all, be generous with these shrimp because, you know, they kind of like those little salad-like shrimp. They're going to cook down so small. So make sure if you want bigger shrimp, get the jumbo shrimp or something like that, okay? Now, we added some onion powder to our mixture. Love onion powder. We also added some garlic powder as well. No salt, you guys. I'm going to use salt in the end. So I'm just using the powders for my flavor, okay? Then we put a little curry powder in there as well. Use whatever ingredients you want to flavor your food. Now I'm just stirring it along, continue to cook that okra so it can cook down, you guys. Cook down, cook down. This meal was so good today, you guys. I added in some diced tomatoes. I added a whole can of diced tomatoes because I wanted this to be a hearty meal, you know, a feel-good meal. So I also added in a half a can of tomato sauce. Well, this is a big can, so I just only added a half a can, and I added a little water in there as well, you guys. So I went back in with my onion powder, garlic powder, my curry powder, because once you put that water in, it kind of washes away some of those ingredients. So I put more in there. Just keep on tasting your food, you guys, so you'll know exactly, you know, what amount you want and the flavor, that seasoning flavor that you're going for. Okay. So I also added some black pepper. Not a whole lot of black pepper because I didn't want it to be too spicy. And besides, the sausage had a little kick to it as well. Now, we got that simmering, and I took my crab cakes and put them in the air fryer for like maybe 15, yeah, it might have been 20 minutes, 15, whatever, while my food was cooking down. And that's how they came out, golden brown. Don't sleep on that air fryer, you guys. Now we're going to plate it up. I put my crab cake in the bottom of my bowl and just pour my sauce over. It came out great. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.